The intense appeal of the decidedly high-end new Peugeot 308 captivates you with its strength of character and dynamism. To make every moment your moment, you can count on the innovative and practical technologies of the new Peugeot i-Cockpit registered, which enhances your onboard experience. For driving comfort offering the best combination of efficiency and performance, discover our power of choice and allow yourself to be swept away by the range of petrol, diesel or plug-in hybrid engines with up to 37 miles of all-electric driving range. The new Peugeot 308 Hybrid and 308 launches at the beginning of 2022. Front, the surprising silhouette of the new Peugeot 308 is dynamic from every angle. Its sleek, athletic lines with bold proportions emphasize a powerful personality. The assertive verticality of the large grille continues with a long bonnet. The rear end is muscular and powerful, its aerodynamics boosted by its lowered roof line. It is visibly larger, sitting firmly on its wheels. The distinguished and streamlined profile reveals its athletic look. The ultra-compact front lighting signature is decidedly contemporary and high-tech. Combining elegance with strength, the front headlights mark the dynamism and identity of the new Peugeot 308. Chiseled and slim, they benefit from LED technology or Peugeot Full Matrix LED. Rear, the high-tech and modern rear lighting signature is accompanied by ultra-compact full LED lights or full 3D LED lights. The new decidedly ergonomic and intuitive Peugeot i-Cockpit registered offers easy access to the full range of features carefully designed to transform your time into quality time. New compact multifunction heated steering wheel, centralizing all the controls for radio, media, telephone and driver assistance systems. New configurable 10-inch instrument panel or new configurable 10 3D digital instrument panel. For a shared onboard experience, the Peugeot i-Cockpit registered is very accessible to passengers. New intuitive and customizable multi-window touchscreen and new virtual i-toggles registered. New central console with multiple storage spaces. The new Peugeot 308 is fitted with numerous driving and maneuvering assistance systems to increase your comfort and safety.